بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. بحریہ انکلیو ممتاز خان بات کر رہا ہوں. ہم بحریہ انکلیو میں اس وقت یہ دیکھیں کام ہو رہا ہے. یہاں پہ مکان بن رہے ہیں. اس میں انڈر گراؤنڈ بن رہا ہے, اس کا بیسمنٹ بنا رہے ہیں لوگ. یہاں پر صاف پانی کے لیے بھی لگا ہوا ہے سسٹم. یہ صاف پانی کا ٹینکی لگی ہوئی ہے. یہاں سے صاف پانی لوگ لے کر جاتے ہیں. ٹھیک ہے جی. تو یہ ہمارا ایچ سیکٹر ہے اور یہ ہائی رائز کمرشل بن رہے ہیں. پیچھے مارکلا ہلز ہیں. تو those who are living abroad in America and Europe, European Union, or my brothers and sisters living in Gulf area, anywhere in Africa, they are all invited to invest in Pakistan, invest in Bahriya Enclave, secure. Your money will be secure, your future will be secure. Invest in Pakistan because everything is computerized here. Bahriya takes responsibility. When you come here and you see the town planning, how they have designed Bahriya Enclave, you will really like it. Just look how everything is organized, and you'll do it for your children, for your future generation. They will enjoy to live here. Pakistan is our country, and invest in Pakistan for your future, for the future of your children. There we have the facilities. We are building commercials. So if you want to build a commercial high-rise, you can purchase a plot and you can build it. If you want to purchase a shop or a flat or a house, you can purchase from here, because all the facilities are there. There is heavy machinery in Bحریہ. All the time they are cleaning the roads and everything. There is water supply, there is electricity, security, building hospitals, schools, and it's a very fine, very nice society. Your family would like to live here, so I would like to invite you again. Come with your family, stay here for 1 month or 15 days, and look all around, discuss with the people, discuss with the engineers and the contractors. Look the possibility for yourself and for your family, and you can purchase a plot and you can give it to any contractor. There are so many contractors and there are so many engineers, civil engineers working here, and there are companies, construction companies here. You can talk to them.